Hello, my lovely people. You are welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. We are still on the matter from the palace of Ooni of Ife. My people, Ooni of Ife's sisters, they are still guilty. They are still feeling guilty of what they did to Queen Naomi when Queen Naomi was in the palace. Yes, we all know that these people really treated Queen Naomi so badly. They never loved Queen Naomi one bit. They never loved her. But it's not that person that will love you matters what you'll be in life. What matters what you be in life is what God is saying about you and your good heart, the way you live your life. You live good life. And we know that Queen is not type that talk too much. Queen doesn't talk too much. She's a woman of few words. And that is why sometimes they used to misunderstand her. Because if she talks too much, they will know what is in her mind. And because she have wisdom, she maintain she as in she doesn't talk too much. That is it. Now allegedly, my correct people, they say that we know that Queen Naomi is the only person that cooked the food that the king eats right now. No other person cooked his food, and that instruction come from the gods. Allegedly, oh, I was not there. So because of it's only Queen Naomi that cooks the food and he eats, Queen Naomi think that is necessary that she comes down to Akure instead of staying in Lekki and cooking food and doing well bill to Ile-Ife. Abi will I say well bill so that they will not be wasting fuel, maybe cooking food from Ile-Ife, Lekki to bringing it to Ile-Ife almost every time. And the worst of it all is that it's an instruction that Queen Ooni of Ife must not eat any other woman's food, any other woman, including all the wife that is in the palace. It is only Queen Naomi's food. Why? Because they are fighting him. They are fighting for. They want to do something against the man. That is, I don't know, is it to buy the man? Abi they want to. Sure, they are after the king. So because of that, Queen Naomi now said that let her come down to Akure so that whenever she cooks the food, it can be easy for them to send people that will come and take it. And again, the person that will come to take that food is only the person that Queen Naomi trust. If Queen Naomi did not trust anybody, the person is not going to take the food. And not until now we heard that Queen Naomi had a dream that a woman like that, one queen, it's like a queen. In the dream, in her dream, she saw one queen like that. The woman is an elderly woman, but she looks like a queen. And she have maidens. But they stays in the bush. As in, it's in the bush that Queen Naomi saw the woman. But the way the woman look, she's so beautiful. And she looks like a queen. So they said that Queen Naomi saw the woman, and the woman was like, the woman called her Sinekulola. You know, Shilekola. Don't know how to pronounce that her name. And she was like, she stopped and looked back and saw the woman. The woman called her and she came. The woman warned her to know the people that she gives Ooni of Ife's food. Wow, my people. No be wahala be this one. Now is to know the people that they give food. Before was it is only Queen Naomi that will be cooking the food. Anyway, it's a warning, sha, that she should know the people that she give food, at least so that these people will not put her into trouble. And this one is a very big and great revelation. Do you know why? If these people eventually succeed, because they have been planning, but some of the Ifa priests, the elders in the palace, they have been trying their possible best to know whether they can put the Queen Naomi into trouble. And they can go extra mile of bribing people so that they go do something. Even if it is running stomach that the king have after eating Queen Naomi's food. It's a serious problem now. So my people, though, we heard allegedly that this woman told her that she should be careful. That anybody that will come to pick Ooni of Ife's food is the person that Ooni of Ife will give a staff. And that staff, she told Queen Naomi how to know the one that is the original staff, because they can actually fake staff and come to collect the king's food. Hmm. Hey, no be small thing o. Okay, we now heard that immediately Queen Naomi had that dream, she called the king and told the king. Now what we are hearing is that um Ooni of Ife's sister, it's only Dr. Elizabeth that used to pick Ooni of Ife's food this since all of these things started happening, because Dr. Elizabeth was not in the palace, but the king called her and she came back because of this. So we heard alleged that she had been the one carrying the food and taking the food from Akure to Ile-Ife to the king. Now, on her going the other day, they said that one of the Ooni of Ife's sister accompanied her to that place, to Queen Naomi's house. And when they knocked, Queen Naomi was coming down with Tadenikawo at his back. And these two were coming. Children now know how they used to behave. Immediately Tadenikawo saw the visitor, like Tade may know Dr. Elizabeth. So Tade was running to maybe either to go and hug Dr. Elizabeth or the other person. So they say that immediately he ran like that to go and hug them or to go towards them. They say that her mother drew her back, and immediately she drew her back. Ooni of Ife's sister picked offense, saying that why won't you allow her son. So Queen Naomi was like, Queen Naomi did not say anything. That Ooni of Ife's sister was like, why won't you allow my son to come and hug me? That means you are still having grudges against me, right? So why can't you forgive people? Why is it so hard for you to forgive people? And they said that she was like complaining and complaining. Queen Naomi did not say a word. One thing about Queen Naomi is that she's not a woman that was open mouth anyhow, and that is why they don't hold her by what she say, because she will always be conscious of her mouth. Sure, that thing is a grace. So if all women can, even me sef, I know that my own mouth run like tap. If all women can hold their mouth, like control their mouth, and know the kind of things they say, it will help everybody. But you see, after Ooni of Ife's sister complained and complained and complained, she did not say a word. And they said that when Ooni of Ife's sister now came back to palace, she complained to the king what Queen Naomi did. And I don't know what they said that the king said. I did not hear that the king said this or that. But one thing about Queen Naomi is that she's protecting her son. She's protecting her son. You will not blame her for anything. This is the only son that she have. And this is the only son that have kept her in that palace too. Because if not for Tadenikawo, I don't know whether this relationship that Queen Naomi have stayed outside the marriage for more than 2 years now will still continue to last. Queen Naomi might have gone and married another man. But this Tadenikawo is the only thing that she have. You will not blame her if she tries to protect her anyway. So my people, that is the gist too. I saw this and I decided to share with you. Thank you. I'm gonna bring you more updates. Love you guys. Bye.